Welcome back. Now, we are going to dive into matrices and understand the difference between a table and a matrix. To get started, let's create a table, just like we did in the previous video. Head to the Visualization tab and select Table. Now, add columns for subcategory, region, and sum of sales. To eliminate the need for resizing text on every slide, go to the View tab. Click on Themes and select Customize Current Theme. In the Customization options, choose Text. Change the font size to 18. Click on Apply. Once you complete this process, the new font size will automatically apply to all pages, saving you from resizing each time. Now come to the table. Here, we can see the sales for each subcategory across different regions. However, it's a bit hard to follow since it's showing the subcategory sales for the central region first, followed by other regions. What we need is to see the sales for each subcategory across all regions side by side, which isn't possible in a table format. Now we'll create a matrix using the same dataset. First, go to the Visualization tab and select the Matrix option. Then, we need to add rows, columns, and values. Unlike a table where you can add everything directly in the columns section, in the matrix, you add fields separately. Choose your data for rows, columns, and values. For this matrix, place subcategory in the rows, region in the columns, and the sum of sales in the values section. Now, we can easily see the subcategory sales for all regions together, making comparisons much simpler. The matrix provides a significant benefit over the table by allowing for a clearer comparison of sales across multiple regions. Unlike a table which lists data line by line and makes it harder to compare subcategories across regions, the matrix organizes the data in a more structured way, displaying subcategory sales alongside all regions in one view. This side-by-side arrangement simplifies the process of analyzing and comparing sales performance across regions. If you've created a table and want to switch it to a matrix visual for better readability, there is no need to delete the table. You can simply convert the existing table into a matrix using the same data without any loss. For this, simply go to the Visualizations pane and click on the matrix. This will offer more layout options and enhance data readability compared to a standard table. We applied conditional formatting in tables, and the process is the same for matrix visuals. Let's now explore how to apply conditional formatting in a matrix. First, go to the Visualization tab. Click the drop-down arrow next to the Sales column and choose Conditional Formatting. You'll see several options. I chose data bars. If you want to adjust the color or set the minimum and maximum values, you can. I will use the default colors. Then click OK. Now, data bars are displayed. Next, to sort the total sales column in ascending or descending order, click the small arrow next to its header. Now we can see the data bars clearly, with the longest representing the highest sales and the shortest representing the lowest. Now, I am removing the sales field and adding the profit in the values section. To apply data bars to profit, follow the same process. Click the drop-down arrow for the profit field. Choose Conditional Formatting and select Data Bars. You'll see two colors, one for positive, dark blue, and one for negative, light blue. You can adjust these if needed, then click OK. If you want to show only the bars without the values, go back to Conditional Formatting, select Data Bars, and check Show Bars Only. Click OK, and now only the bars will be visible. To remove the conditional formatting, click the drop-down arrow next to the profit field, choose Remove Conditional Formatting, and select Data Bars, or whichever formatting option you'd like to remove. You can also add icons by following a similar procedure. Click on Icons, select the ones you want, and adjust the rules as needed.